Hello class, welcome to practice 5 of writing linear equations. Yesterday we gave you an equation and you had to graph it. Today we're going to give you a graph and then we're going to write it as y equals mx plus b. Let's go to slide 2. All right, slide 2. Here's our formula. Y equals blank x plus b. I'm going to bring down our m. I'm going to bring down our x. So write an m here, or you can probably click and bring it down, and a b there. Do you remember what m stands for? That's right, ain't no dope. M stands for slope. Remember that slope is the rise of the graph compared to the run of the graph, how far it goes up compared to over, rise over run. So that's what you're going to count. And then b stands for our beginning, or our y-intercept, where it crosses the y in the skyline. Let's go to slide 3. So how do we write the linear equation? First step. The first thing that you're going to do is you're going to find the slope, find the rise over run. Then you're going to find the y-intercept, or where it begins. And then after we do that, we're going to do a math word, substitute. We're going to substitute the m and the b into our equation. What equation is that? That's the y equals mx plus b equation. Let's move on. All right, you can see here we've used top teacher behavior, and we have this little remember post-it note that says y equals mx plus b. That's our final equation. So first we have to gather our information. Step 1, find the blank from the graph. Remember, the first thing we're going to do is find the m, or the slope. Ooh, I should use top teacher behavior and put that in blue because I've color-coded it here. So slope is rise over run. It looks here like we rise 1, run 2. Rise 1, run 2. It should be consistent, and it is. So my rise is 1. Oh, we have some hints right here. Top teacher behavior. Run is 2. It's going uphill, so it's positive. Then what do I do next? Step 2, find the b. Oh yeah, the begin. So I'm going to use yellow here, or maybe orange will show up better. Find where it crosses the y in the skyline. Where does the dot cross the y in the skyline? I covered it up. Oh, shoot. Let's just erase that quick. Crosses at 3. So my intercept is 3. Do you remember what my slope was? It was 1/2. 1 over 2. This is our m. This is our b. And then I need to write the steps, substitute the steps into the equation. So I'm just going to put sub here really quick. And it's partially written for me. Y equals, I take my m, which is 1/2, and you're going to use a forward slash here. And then you're going to take your b, which is 3, and put it here. See if we can do one more. Oh, they don't have the parts for us. I guess we're supposed to do it on our own. Slope. Looks like I'm going down this time, so that's a negative slope. Down 2 over 1, 2, 3. This time we're going down 2 over 3. Ooh, that was ugly. And where does it cross the b? Where does it cross the y in the skyline? Up, up, up. Ah, here we go. Somewhere between 9 and 7, which is probably, wouldn't that be great if the number was 8? B is 8. M is negative 2/3, so negative 2/3 goes here, negative 2 slash 3. Make sure that's a slash and not a 1. And our slope is 8. There we go. That's how you do it. Have a good day.